Bradley, and I'm really excited to make this announcement. You've seen us make things on this channel before, but now we are taking it to a whole new level. I just ordered a CNC plasma cutting table. Now we can make anything we want. So all those things I've been dreaming about, now I can actually make them here in-house. We're going to start cranking out videos of all this cool new stuff that we're going to be making. The sky is the limit now. No longer is it just a dream, now I can make it. If this kind of thing interests you, I strongly recommend that you subscribe to our channel and hit that notifications bell, and when we upload these new awesome videos, you'll be the first to know. Special brackets? No problem. New accessories? You got it. I'd even take requests from our viewer audience on new things that we could make in the future. I've even had new attachments on the drawing board, and that's where they've stayed until now. Now we can actually make them, test them, and use them. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited, I hardly have the words right now, but man, are we going to have some awesome stuff coming up.